Hey guys, and welcome back. So the first step to create a chart is selecting the data. It's better to not include totals for now and put all the data together. After selecting data, we press Alt and F1. It's the quickest way to create a default chart, which is clustered column chart. Press Ctrl+Z to undo. Another method is simply click on a cell of our data and press again Alt and F1. Excel is smart enough to select all the data of the table, but with this method, Excel includes all the columns like totals in our table, so be careful. Undo again. If we want to select non-adjacent areas, for example, the first column with programs and column with totals, then we will use the Control key. We select first these cells, press Ctrl, and select totals. Again Alt F1 and chart is ready, with the selected columns of course. Until now we created a chart in the same worksheet with our data, but sometimes it's better to have a chart in a new worksheet. This method is simple. We highlight the cells of our data with the mouse, and then we press the F11 key. A chart will appear on a new worksheet called Chart 1. It shows only the chart with no distraction from our data. Of course, by making changes to the values of our data, the chart will be changing, even though it is in a different worksheet. Let's see it in practice. Go to Data Worksheet, change cell B3 and type 500. Enter, then go to Chart 1 and see the difference. Press Undo from this button now. When we select data, in the lower right corner a quick analysis tool pops up. It has 5 different tab settings like formatting, charts, totals, tables, and sparklines. We will show most of these new features as we continue to the course. We can, for example, create a chart easily. Pretty fast method. If the default chart isn't that we want, then after selecting data, we click Insert tab from the ribbon and we see a number of choices relating to the specific chart category. Each category of a chart has many choices, simply by clicking the arrow or the icon. Finally, Excel 2013 has a lovely new function, the recommended charts, which is again on the Insert tab and is ideal for new Excel users. With this method, Excel recommended us charts that they think will best fit with our data. If we don't like recommended charts, we can choose from All Charts tab, the one that we believe is best for our data table. Thanks for watching.